Hi, this is Ethan with Digital Bits, and as someone who works a lot with technology and photography and videography equipment, I often have a bunch of these, little multi-tools all over the place. Often they're used for tightening down tripod plates, adjusting or taking off the back covers of laptops, tightening monitor arms, etc. These things, you pretty much have to have them one everywhere, and I'm always struggled with finding the right part. Some of these multi-tools are not particularly good in their accessories, not particularly high quality. They have pinch points in their handles, etc. You can't get the sharp blade out without cutting yourself. There have been some really crappy multi-tools in my life. And in my video and photography side, I've often used a bunch of SmallRig brand rigging components. So let me show here. So SmallRig makes things like this. This is a basically a hand grip that attaches to an L bracket plate that goes to a camera. They make things like this monitor mount. This is a adjustable monitor mount. These are very high quality aluminum products made by a company called SmallRig, and they've recently come out with this, and this is a new product from them, so move that out of the way. Now, I talked about the multi-tools that I've used that were just complete garbage. And I often need one that's sort of focused on video. These general purpose multi-tools are designed for camping use, for home improvement, but they're not really designed for photographers. But this is a pretty interesting product they've recently released. It comes in a case. It's got a very high quality zipper. Actually has a SmallRig logo on the top. Open it up. And inside the case you find another case, or a bag, strangely. I don't think I'd ever use that. We open that, and inside you find a multi-tool. So this is an aluminum milled multi-tool from SmallRig. You can see their logo there on the top. And it is it has a couple of photography specific tools. So this has a Phillips wrench, a Torx, I think it's a it's a T25. You can kind of see it written on there. A couple of Allen wrenches for the appropriate sizes, and it's got a very high quality, very thick, very strong standard screwdriver, and that is really useful for most tripod plates. You're going to need something that you can put quite a bit of torque on. Looks like we've got a 2.5 Allen wrench, a T25 Torx wrench, a 316 Allen, a 4 and a 3 Allen. So we've got pretty much every size that would be needed. So for example, this camera plate probably requires a 4. Make sure it fits. Yep, there we go. We've got every size that's needed, and you can loosen that screw. Now what's interesting about this is it's quite a value. So those multi-tools I showed you, even the off-brand ones, are $40 or $50, and they don't have all of the attachments you need in one place for photography or videography. This has everything you need, absolutely everything you need. And in addition to that, it's got some tapped holes in the side. So for example, these are very small. I believe they're M3 bolts. They are very common, but you always lose them. Well, you can just simply screw it into the side of the multi-tool and store it there. This is a, I believe it's a 1/4 20. Screws right in, you get a place to store it. Now you can't do too deep of a screw, because obviously it goes through and could impact the wrenches, but you could keep spares there for things that you might need. Either way, I saw this on their website as one of their new developments a couple weeks ago, or a couple days ago, and I thought that might be the multi-tool of my dreams. I ordered it. It comes from China, so you don't always know what you're going to get as far as quality. But SmallRig has built up a reputation with myself for high quality parts. I mean, like I showed you, this is an aluminum milled piece that's meant for a hand grip on a camera. It is extremely high quality. It has certain innovations like a magnetic hex key holder, so it doesn't fall out. It has extremely high quality finishes. You can see some mill marks in some areas, but it's just an extremely high quality piece. Same thing with their clamps, same thing with their camera cages. They're all extremely high quality, and this This little multi-tool, which is very inexpensive, we're talking about a $20 piece here, is the kind of thing that makes life easier for people who are often working with cameras and rigging equipment. It fits in a pocket. It doesn't have any sharp edges to catch on pants or in a belt or in a camera bag. This is exactly the kind of thing I've been looking for a very long time. I'll put a link in the description, so if you want to take a look at it, you can click an affiliate link down there. It is a very, very high quality multi-tool. I cannot speak any higher of any tool that I've got in my toolbox, other than this. This is just a really, really nice piece of equipment. So this is Ethan with Digital Bits. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If this is the type of content that you'd like to see more of, please click subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.